you guys hungry?
Hey Fluffy, I'm gonna eat all your treats.
Anybody hungry? Anybody sleepy? Anybody highly overweight?
I'm going to eat you!
We said we were gonna do it. No, I said we would do free love and fury. I didn't say let's
You're nice, doggy. I like
Is this what you want? I'm gonna eat it.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
nice doggy. Nice doggy.
Hey, Miley.
What's up?
They call the police.
I'm out of here. 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 I'm out of here.
Okay, you gotta look good for this picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
run! It's a stampede!
Archie, do you love me? Archie, do you love Georgie? I didn't think so.
Come on, Trooper, let's go outside. Or stay there and pee in the house. You're bigger than me.
I don't want to walk into a situation where all of a sudden they're ambushed when they're trying to help out.